Hello and welcome to my Sunday Fram. Today we have a little bit of mail and I want to get through these. So the temperature dropped a lot and also we had some downpours and it looks like we're not going to clear up until Tuesday. So I mean, I had to wait until most of this dried. So, I mean, my furnace is running really loud. But other than that, I mean, it's an alright day. I got my PJs in, and I just wanted to see what they look like and check out the quality. And these were actually $7. Or actually, I think these were like $4.99. I think they were $5. And so this is what it looks like. It's a cute little cami with the rouge side. So this is really cute. Like, I'd wear this out, to be honest. And these are the bottoms, and they're fold-over shorts. And the quality is really great. Let's see. These are size small. And I love them. I give them a 10 out of 10 because the quality is really good. The price is awesome. And they're so cute. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so here I bought my Vibrant plug-in refills. I've been using this Vibrant kind, and it says that it lasts longer, and it has more essential oil than the other ones, which the other ones already have essential oil, but this is lavender and water lily. So I love those smells. And together, I'm pretty sure it's gonna smell really gorgeous in here. So I can't wait to try these or use them. And of course, I bought some soda. I bought a 6-pack, and these are always like under $4, around $3.90 something. So these have like right now is a season where they put cool slogans on them. So some have cool slogans and other ones don't. Like these two right here say goat on them. Can you see? They say goat on them. And then these say better half on them. So I think in the 6-packs they probably just leave one. Oh no, these all say goat and these all say better half. So you get 3 and 3. And I don't know, I was hoping to get that. It's pretty cool. And then I got these combat roach killing bait. Cause like with the water and stuff, it's easy to get into a situation where you end up with roaches. You get one, it can make a nest. So I kind of like to have these around, and I kind of like to put them into use because I'm used to being around waterways, I guess. Like I always live near a waterway. Like if it's not a huge river, it's a huge stream. If it's not a huge stream, it's like the ocean. So I have this thing where I'm always trying to prepare for things. I'm an apocalyptic prepper, so I kind of already planned things before, just automatically. So just so you guys know what this here are combat roach killing baits. This is 6 baits, small and large, and I'll show you them. So these are small to large. These are actually, I wish they would have picked one. So these, in my opinion, are like just good size ones. These fit in the palm of my hand, so they're pretty good size. You don't want a really tiny one, and you don't want a really big one, because you're just putting them here and there, and you know you don't want to smell them or get your pets interested in them. So it's kind of, these are kind of a good size if you live in an apartment or you know just kind of don't really need them. You just want to prevent things. Like, I mean, these are pretty good because you know it kills nests, and they're easy to use. They're not liquid, so they don't pose a problem of spillage or contamination or toxic ingestion. So that's why I like them. Plus, the price is good. So I know that the bigger packs are also they're on a deal right now too. So I got this for my live streams, which it's also another set that's actually a pajama set, but obviously I have to wear a matching set because my jumper that I made, obviously, I don't think it's cool enough for TikTok, so I picked this outfit out, which is kind of similar to outfits around the world, just like my jumper, my orange jumper that you see people incarcerated wear. So it's not just like an American thing that I was bringing awareness to or am bringing awareness to. I think these issues arise in all kinds of communities. So, I mean, I kind of look for things that, are kind of issue to inmates, that are easily recognized. And I found that khaki color was a common theme among the institutions, for incarcerated individuals. So, like I said, that's what I chose. And I also got these for under $5, or like $4.90 something for 12 tortillas. These are taco size. These are kind of thick, like they're good for fajitas. These are Ortega flour tortillas. And then I also got a $2.90 something 4-pack chicken noodle soup. This is condensed soup. It says you use 1 can of this condensed soup with 1 can of water, and you just heat it up until it's boiling, and you're good. So I thought that was a good idea for me. So let me just put that there fast. And open the last box. In the last box, last but not least, is a Ensure. This is a nutritional shake, but it is a protein shake, and I'll show you what they look like. Let me get this open. And these are, like I said, Ensure, and they were on sale for 16 something. So if you guys see that deal, go ahead and snag it. This is a good 1 gram of sugar nutritional shake. with 150 calories, it has 25 vitamins and minerals, and it says it has immune system support, which obviously is important right now with all the different strains and viruses and bacteria or whatever going around. We need to protect ourselves and make sure we take care of our all-around health and wellness. And like I said, 30 grams of protein per shake is pretty good for 150 calories. This is just a nutritional shake that supplements your all-around support, nutrition-wise. And you know, I think it's a good idea to make sure that not only are your fitness goals achieved, but also to achieve your health. So we can talk about diet, but I don't like talking about exercise or diet without nutrition. And for me, having these nutritional shakes kind of keeps me, it keeps me like on point. And like these shakes, they come in different flavors, but for me, I wanted to try this one because it's creamy peach. And can you see that? It looks so good. It looks so good. I don't know why. I just wanted it. So that's all for my haul today. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. My Sunday front. Bye-bye.